Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can pair your Baseus Encok W3 earbuds with your MacBook. So first of all, you have to remember to input the left and the right earbud inside the charging case and charge them for like 20 minutes before the pairing. Also remember to disconnect them from any previously connected devices. And right now all you have to do is just to open this cover of the charging case. And right now you will find that this indicator on the left one, it's actually blinking. So it means that we are in the pairing mode. So we can basically just put this case close to your MacBook, but remember to do not close this cover. So put them close. Actually, I have to hold them because when I'm gonna put them on the surface, the case will close. So go to the Bluetooth. Turn it on with the switcher, and then from the list you can select the Baseus Encok W3. So click on them once, and as you can see right now we are successfully connected. So that's all for this video. Hope you like it.